Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrahari and you people are listening me on KSG India platform. See guys, India is a rural nation. I hope you people know very well. Around 80% population of this country stay in rural areas. Around 167.8 million families. See guys, in this rural areas, electrification is very important. If rural area will electrify, it means India will electrify. India stay in rural areas. So rural electrification policy, especially for rural electrification purposes, it came in 2005 with the provision of access to electricity to all households by the year 2009, especially for quality and reliable power supply at reasonable rates. And here one more goal of this rural electrification policy that brought in 2005, at least minimum lifetime consumption of 1 unit per household per day by 2012. Later on, after this rural electrification policy 2005, one more scheme brought by government, Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana. This Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana was launched by central government on 4th April 2005. The objective to provide and access electricity to all households in the country in next coming 5 years. The scheme aimed to electrification of over 1 lakh unelectrified villages and providing electricity connection to around 2.34 crore rural households approximately. For that purpose, even government has given a funding allocation around 51,000 crore. And you know guys, under Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana, the motive was around that people will connect in that village areas, at least 100 should be there. So 100 will be the number, at least minimum in that population, in the respect of population of a particular village. And this scheme is being implemented mostly to provide benefit to households below poverty line. But again, I will tell you guys, this Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana could not fulfill their own all targets within next 5 years. Later on, government brought Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. This Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana inauguration brought by our Honorable Prime Minister PM Modi from 25th July 2015. The purpose of this Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana 24 into 7 electricity to everywhere. And target year was 2019 with the help of feeder separations. Even Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana up to certain extent becomes successful. But again, I will tell you guys, rural electrification policy, even a part of this rural electrification policy, Rajiv Gandhi Vidyutikaran Yojana and Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. All these rural electrification program was especially for rural areas. Later on, one more program that government brought with the name of Saubhagya. Saubhagya Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana. This program brought by government, central government, Union Ministry of Power on 25th September 2017. That is the birth ceremony of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. And here the purpose is not only rural electrification. This aim was to achieve universal household electrification. Means not even rural areas, even urban household will also cover in this. So universal means 100% electrification in India will become possible. These households will be identified through socio-economic and caste census data 2011. Rural Electrification Corporation Limited is the nodal agency for operationalization of Saubhagya scheme throughout India. Even those remote areas people, okay, cannot access electricity, even still have not electricity this time. Government will help them especially through solar power pack around 200 to 300 watts even with battery. So government will also provide a part of this power capacity. The government will also provide a battery. It will also compromise 5 LED lights, 1 DC fan, 1 DC power plug, and even the one more benefit for the remote and inaccessible areas where electricity is still not reached, that will cover under Saubhagya scheme. Here all repair and maintenance government will also provide for next 5 years. And in that way guys, government is trying to complete electrification in India. So not only rural, in urban area will also come. Okay, so urban areas, so rural areas, urban areas and remote areas, every level government are working. And those people are coming under this Saubhagya scheme that will identify through SECC data I told you guys. For your registration, for your registration if you belong from the rural areas. So definitely you will go and connect with your Panchayati Raj institutions, and if you belong from the urban areas, so you will go and connect with your urban local bodies, and you will mention your name that under the SCCC socio-economic and caste census data 2011 you are coming in this category, so government will provide you this type of electricity. And everybody, not only rural, even rural, urban, remote, everybody, every area will cover under this scheme. So this is in the brief. I just try to give you about the electrification, rural to urban, and then universal electrification. Thank you everybody. I hope this all entire lecture will be beneficial to you. So thank you everybody. Stay tuned with us on this KSG India platform. Thank you. Have a good day.